What's up? I'm Kelsey. I'm going to show you how to do an abstract painting. The first thing, you need to make sure that you have a canvas. You need to make sure you have paint brushes, you need some clean water, and creativity. And that's about it. Before you start painting, you need to have an idea of what you want to paint. Today, I want to do like a yin and yang style sun and moon, so that's what I'm going to do. I start by drawing it out with a pencil. And if you draw with a pencil, you kind of want to draw light. It'll be hard to paint over if you draw too dark. I'm going to draw the sun up here, like the yin and yang, the sun and the moon, like coming out of the corners. I mean, I could really just paint this on here, but I kind of like to just see what I'm doing. I use these little thingies just to squirt my little paint in. Squirt it in here. However much you think you'll need. The more colors, the better, of course. There's different kinds of paint. You can get like big tubes of it, but I just use these. You can get them at Walmart because they're cheap. But you always need to shake them before you use them. And I always like to have like a color like this if I'm doing a mixture of colors or a blend, it helps blend the colors together. Not really a white, but kind of like an off-white. You want to clean your brush first in your clean water. Wash that off with a rag and then just go. I always like to put two different colors on my brush at one time. Like right now I have a dark yellow and a light yellow. You can't really see it because it's yellow right now, but it just blends them together while they're still wet and it just looks cool. So always best to start from the top, because I mean, if you start from the bottom, more than likely you're going to get your arm or your hand wet with paint. If you want to blend the colors together, you need to make sure that you have to do it when it's still wet, because if it kind of dries a little bit, then it's not really going to blend. It's kind of just going to paint on top of it. This is an acrylic painting, but there are also oil paints that you can use and watercolor paints, but this is my preference. When I'm done, something I always do is sign it in the bottom right corner. I'm just gonna paint my name and the date. And that's it. Okay, now it's your turn.